Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to flip text vertically in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps, then create your document. Now you can see here are my document with this text. Now I flip this text vertically. You have to double click on this text. Now you can see here at drawing option. Then select this text and select this text box. Then click this upper side of text box. Then move on your mouse to press shift. Now I move it here. Now press save and close. Now resize this text box. Now you can see I flip text vertically in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.